Barbecue ground beef biscuit cups. Refrigerated biscuits filled with a sweet and savory ground beef mixture topped with cheese. Such an easy family lunch or dinner. You'll start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a nonstick skillet, crumbling it as it cooks. Stir in a half a cup of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon dried minced onion, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon chopped up pickled jalapenos. Simmer 1 minute and remove from heat. Separate each biscuit into 2 pieces and stretch and mold into the bottom and up the sides of the muffin cups. Divide the ground beef mixture between the biscuit-lined cups. Top each one with shredded cheddar cheese. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 400 degrees. Let cool in the pan for a minute or 2 before removing. Find the full recipe at spicysouthernkitchen.com.